So it's been a funny old day in lockdown. Today was the shopping day, so I've been out for us, my mum, Shell's sister, Shell's mum and dad, and Rich and Fran off floating our boat.
Loads of blueberries and
Told
other
you
stuff.
Told you had.
It's all in that.
Haven't. I've eaten them. I was thinking, crikey.
It's right, they go right back in that fridge.
I am doing the rounds with shopping. I've also got one last drop, which is, some of you probably know, so as you may have seen on this vlog here, Rich from the YouTube channel Floating Our Boat has come down with the symptoms of coronavirus. So he's not looking too good at all, which obviously means that they've both got to self-isolate, which is pretty tricky, considering they're pretty far from family and things. So we've just picked them up some veggies. Couldn't get any beans, unfortunately. We're going to try and stop on the way. Got about another 16 miles before we get to them. So yeah, one thing we got to do is look after our community. And I'm lucky. I'm not at work, but I'm being paid. Shell's obviously working from home. So really it's the least I can do. Look after family and friends. So yeah, we are on our way to an undisclosed destination in Cheshire.
You are naughty. I said I'd come up.
Oh, it's alright. It's not far, is it?
No, I know. I mean, to be honest, we're very, very lucky.
Yeah.
And when we're mobile, there's just from around the corner here, there's a little mini market thing. So when we're able to go shopping again.
Every other supermarket in Northwich, apart from Lidl, had massive queues. Lidl had no queue at all and had everything that everybody wanted. So, winner, chicken dinner. There's a question mark over the quality of the wine, but we'll let you know that on Monday.
I'm willing to test it.
I'm trying to keep Shell away from it while she's meant to be working. We're doing alright at the minute. If you can see, that's little Shelly there. There she is, hard at work. She is behaving, to be fair. We've been out for a bike ride, our usual lunchtime bike ride of 10 miles, just to get some fresh air and some glorious sunshine. But now we're going to tackle a job that I've wanted to do for a long time. And that's noise reduction in the engine room. So we've got some sound deadening panels. I'll put a link to those in the description. So we're going to do a little film, engine running normal, and then we'll do the sound deadening, and then do another and see what difference it makes. Yeah. Anybody who stands on the stern of a boat all day while you're cranking along will understand that this is quite an important thing. So yeah, wish me luck, and I'll see you in the engine bay. So that's the engine bay emptied. I didn't film it all because it would have taken too long and you would be asleep by now. So we have our sound deadening panels, courtesy of Amazon. Thankfully I got these a couple of weeks ago, so they've just been sat in the boat. Otherwise I think we might struggle at the minute. So now everything's emptied, we're going to start the engine, let that run for a couple of minutes, see what the sound volume's like. Then we're going to get the inspection panels up, get the sound deadening stuck on, only on those places that I've painted so far. There's still a bit of painting to be done in the engine bay. Hopefully that'll be done over these next 4 weeks. But yeah, I'm going to stick some underneath the panels, either side of the engine, either end. That's my plan. So let's go. So that's at 1,000 revs. Pretty maxing out the volume. So that's my engine bay, if you're interested to see. As you can see, we've done some painting. Just need to finish off underneath the exhaust and also around the weed hatch. Still a bit of work to do. So yeah, so let's get the panel stuck on. So this is when 6'1". There's a slight disadvantage when you own a narrowboat. It'll be interesting to see what the playback's like, but I'm not convinced that's made any difference at all. That was a waste of money, right? But jury's out. Let's just wait. We'll play it back and see what it thinks. See what you guys think. I'm really hot and dirty now. And now I've got to put everything back in. Gee. So that's it for today, guys. I'll leave you with the sun on the roof, and gentle tapping of keyboards. So let me know what you guys have done if you've done any sound deadening in your engine bays. Sound deadening in your engine bays. Try saying that when you're drunk. But that's it for today. It's been a long day already, and I've still got to take the dogs for a walk. We got to have tea and then do some training on the iPad. So, no rest for the wicked. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves. See you soon.